Hey there! I want to do a real quick video for you about using foliar spray to feed your plants. And there's a very specific reason that I'm doing it now. And that is that we are in a heat wave and a drought. So our plants are really stressed, and doing a foliar spray helps them recover, rebound from that. Helps them survive it, let's put it that way. The way foliar sprays work is we use either a hose end sprayer, or you can use like a spray bottle like you train cats with, or you can do like the pump sprayers. There's the backpack kind, or the kind that you have to carry. However you want to get it done, you just need something that will spray. You need some sort of a fertilizer. There are liquid fertilizers out there. There are organic liquid fertilizers out there. There's also compost tea. So I'm going to use compost tea because that's what I use. This means that I will not have a measurement of how much nitrogen, how much phosphorus, how much potassium it's putting onto the plants. That's fine. I don't need numbers on that. I need the nutrients from the compost to go onto the plants. That's all. So the way this works is usually when we feed plants, we do it at the roots, and then they have to pull it up the stem, out into the foliage, right? Well, when our plants are under a lot of stress, that doesn't work quite as well, and that's a long trip. When it's really hot, foliar spray won't work. So at 100 degrees, it's not going to happen, but that's why I'm doing this in the evening. I'm going to do this in the evening. We're supposed to get down to 78 tonight, and it might work then. If I did this in the morning, I would have a very short time when it's like 80 something and before it gets really hot. So I'm going to do it in the evening, and just like our skin, on the top surface of a leaf, there are little things called stoma, or stomata if it's plural. The stoma are like the pores on our skin, and just like we can absorb nutrients or toxins through our skin, our plants can do the same thing through their skin with their stoma as we do on our skin with our pores. So when we spray, it goes directly into the leaves and it's accessible to the plant immediately instead of having to drink it up. Unless it's super hot, in which case the stoma shut down. Foliar spray. So I'm going to take my little spray bucket, and I'm going to dip it in the compost tea. My compost tea is aerobic, so it doesn't smell awful. It doesn't smell great. I'm really sorry about the noise pollution. I can't do anything about it, except maybe talk louder. All right, so I have mine set on 4 ounces per gallon. If you are using a commercial fertilizer, it's going to tell you what dilution you need to use. If you are using compost tea and it is aerobic, you can go up to 8 ounces per gallon safely, in my experience. I've done it and it was fine. I have my hose turned off. I'm going to release the pressure and top off my quick connect. Quick connects make this super easy. I say as it doesn't want to connect. All right, and then I'm just gonna release the flow on the hose. Now we have spray. And then I just go down and make sure to get the top of the leaves and the bottom. And that's it. So I just did this one little garden. I'm gonna grab a couple more and get them done. And then if I have anything left in here when I'm finished, I can either dump it back into my bucket, or I can just fertilize the roots as if I were watering in fertilizer. All right? That's all super quick and dirty, very, very easy. Have fun. Later, y'all.